Hey, what's up folks? This is Keith. You're watching Barbour's Auto Help. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change out the battery in this here style key fob that's been used by Ford for over a decade. This is an older style key fob, but there's a lot of vehicles out on the road today that actually use this type of key fob. So let's go ahead and get into it. First things first, this key fob is part number 2L3T 15 K's and Kangaroo 601 alpha alpha. Now you'll notice on the top here where your key ring goes, there's a little bit of separation between the two parts of the housing there. Now I'm missing the part of the ring on this side of the housing here. We're going to take a screwdriver right up in here and we're just going to pry the two halves of the housing right apart. Just like that. Go ahead and separate the two halves. And you'll notice that you have your battery right there. I like to use a skewer, a wooden skewer or a toothpick and pry that battery right up just like that there. Now this battery here, this is a CR2032. It's a 3-volt battery and this key fob requires one of them. Now you'll notice on the back side here of this part of the housing you have a plus symbol. So the plus side is going to go down. We're going to go ahead and put the new battery in, like so. Now, it's not a bad idea, if you have a little bit of dielectric grease, place a little bit of dielectric grease on these contacts right here, just a minuscule amount, just enough to cover up the actual parts of that contact that actually touch the battery. Alright, once we got that done there, we'll take the two halves of the housing and we'll just press them together. Just like that. Folks, I really appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Also, please read the entire description of the video before you apply any of this knowledge. And please read the disclaimer at the very end of it as well. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks again. Have a good one, guys.